safety.
The news with Katrina Smith.
Welcome and good morning. Thank you so much for joining us on this Sunday, October 13th. I'm Katrina Smith. A big change in the temperatures and the weather from yesterday just to today. Cooler, rainier weather in store for the rest of the week. In fact, meteorologist James DeFazio might have a new vocabulary word in the weather here this morning.
I may have to say the S word during the forecast today, but it's okay. We've had a nice stretch of weather. It looks like next weekend we'll have another nice stretch of weather. Plenty of rainfall on the way for today. It does look like quite a washout. Taking a look at the Yorkville Battery Live Storm Tracker 2 radar. Do have some scattered showers out there right now. Nothing too substantial in the way of precipitation. As we zoom out at the larger radar and satellite picture, you can see plenty of precipitation move through overnight. And out to the west, we have plenty more on the way for the duration of today. Widespread rainfall is expected throughout the day today. Scattered showers will continue into the overnight. And then we are tracking lake effect, rain, and some snow showers mixed in, which linger all the way through the beginning of the week into Wednesday. Current conditions in Rome, 44 degrees with a light sprinkle, with an east-southeast wind out of 8 miles per hour. Today we're expecting a high basically to hover right in the mid-40s, right around 46 degrees with widespread rainfall. Tonight, low of 42. Rain becomes more scattered as the night progresses. We will have much more about those rain and snowfall chances and how things do look to start to improve towards the end of the week. So hopefully much more pleasant weather for next weekend.
All right, thank you so much, James. Still no word on what caused that fire.
Join Chief Meteorologist Bill Cardis.
This on that Storm Tracker 2 Skycast, as you can see.
Meteorologist Samantha Wessing.
Severe weather all
Meteorologist Jill Reel.
The conditions in place right now. You can
Meteorologist Eric Gage. To get instant updates on floods, storms, and tornadoes. News Channel 2 Storm Tracker, tracking storms minute by minute to keep your family safe. The WKTV Tower Cam is brought to you by the Central Association for the Blind and Visually Impaired.
Good morning. A stark contrast out there to start our Sunday. No more mostly sunny skies. We are looking at plenty of overcast, gloomy weather out there off the Nexus Center Tower Cam in downtown Utica. Definitely a little damp out there on the roadways, so if you're traveling, just be a little careful of any ponding that might be out there. If there's any leaves on the roadways as well, it's a time of the year where it can get a little slick on any recently fallen leaves with fresh rainfall as well. But all in all, not too bad right now. We do have more rain on its way. Currently, light rain in Rome at 44. We have an 8-mile-an-hour wind out of the east-southeast. Humidity is quite refreshing. Very high level of air quality out there. Currently 44 in Rome, 41 Hamilton, 40 down in Binghamton. Plenty of clouds across central New York, which is going to be the story for the majority of the next several days, as we have several opportunities for rainfall and maybe even a few snow showers over the next couple of days. Taking a look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 live radar, just a few showers out there right now, mainly lighter in intensity. These will continue to increase in intensity throughout the day. And looking out further to the west, you can see that heavier precipitation that is going to be working in as we move towards the end of the morning hours and the beginning of the afternoon. Rainfall chances today, absolutely widespread rainfall. The next 2 days, we're looking at more scattered showers, periods of dry and breaks in between the showers. Wednesday, we're hoping that showers taper off by the afternoon and that it's more of a morning showers and hopefully just scattered throughout the day and not lingering into the evening hours. Temperature trend as we head into next week. These low temperatures, these high temperatures, 48, 45, 45, are going to feel very, very chilly out there with some breezy conditions, some damp conditions. With the warm September and beginning of October we've had, these temperatures are going to feel like a mighty change, an abrupt change. Taking a look at the skycast, we currently have mainly cloudy skies. It's not picking up on the light rain that is out there right now. As we move forward, here comes all of that rainfall. We have rain in the forecast throughout the entirety of the day. Here's 5 p.m. Sunday. As I fast forward to 10 p.m., more showers consistent throughout the day. As we move into the evening, they start to become more scattered, but you can still see more widespread showers until about 1 o'clock in the morning. Now they become more scattered as depicted off to the west. Mostly cloudy skies continue. Temperatures are in the lower 40s. Scattered showers linger into the morning with mostly cloudy skies. And then during the morning on Monday, we can see some light snow showing up in the northern portions of our viewing area. And as of this time, it looks like a wet snow with a wet snow rain mix without any accumulation anticipated. However, we will track that and keep an eye on it just in case intensity does override the temperature. Moving into Tuesday, more scattered showers throughout the day linger from the lake. They are much more scattered than what we're going to deal with today, and this does linger into at least Tuesday night into Wednesday morning. 46 tonight with widespread, or 46 today with widespread rainfall. 42 tonight, scattered rain showers diminish slowly throughout the evening. 7-day forecast, those chances for a rain-snow mix linger Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, with lake moisture being thrown our way in the wake of the cold front. But the second half of the forecast starts to look much more pleasant with plenty of sunshine expected as we head towards the end of next week. And oh yes, I have to pull up my trivia question here.
That's okay. While you're doing that, I'll just comment on thank you for putting the rainy weather in the middle of the week and giving us a great weekend.
So are there any guesses out there before I give this away?
Let's say the jet stream. What phenomenon causes the trade winds? Jet stream.
I kind of put you on the wrong path there with the picture of the plane there. It is the Coriolis effect. The Coriolis force is a result of the fact that the Earth is rotating, and it allows the wind to spin in all forms of directions, and it steers the majority of our weather systems. It is the cause of the westerlies, the easterlies, and
Coriolis effect.
Yeah, absolutely.
Jet stream is in the ocean.
Up in the air.
It is in the air too.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
All right, but that is not what affects this.
All the weather's in the air.
Thank you so much. Welcome back, and thank you for joining us for another half hour of News Channel 2 Weekend Today. I'm Katrina Smith. Get you right over to the Weather Center with meteorologist James DeFazio. We're going to see some Columbus Day snow for some areas. Is that true?
Yes. It's going to be confined to the North Country and the extreme higher elevations.
Sure.
But it's definitely a change, an abrupt change all at once, for sure. Taking a look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 live radar, some stray light showers continue to work through the region. We have more widespread precipitation beginning to work in through the west. Here's that area of low pressure which is working in from the west. It's associated with a cold front which is going to be bringing those much colder temperatures. Here's an idea of what we're tracking. We're expecting widespread rainfall throughout the day today. Showers become more scattered as we move into Sunday night, and lake effect rain and snow showers linger all the way into Wednesday morning. Current conditions at Rome, 44 degrees with a light rain with an east-southeast wind out of 8 miles per hour with quite refreshing air conditions. We're expecting a high in the mid-40s today with widespread rainfall throughout the day. Tonight, rain becomes more scattered as the night progresses, 42 degrees for a low. We'll have a further look at those rain and snow chances and how the end of the week looks a little bit better for you. And we'll be right back over to you, Katrina.
Thank you so much, James. October is domestic.
The WKTV Tower Cam is brought to you by the Central Association for the Blind and Visually Impaired.
Good morning. We have a dreary day on tap for Sunday here in central New York. It's a stark contrast to the sunny skies that we had yesterday, and it is going to be quite a change temperature-wise as we move into next week. Taking a look downtown Utica right now, you can see it is a little bit damp out there already. Not quite sure what is moving in front of the camera there, but it looks like it is quite damp out there right now. quite a bit of cloudy skies out there, which is going to be the name of the game. These are only going to continue to thicken up as the precipitation continues to work in. We have light rain being reported in Rome at 44 degrees, current feel-like temperature of 40 with an east-southeast wind of 8 miles per hour. Current conditions around the state, plenty of clouds, plenty of rainfall out there. Lots of clouds being reported, especially to the west, which is where the majority of our rainfall for today is still co-located. This is going to continue to move in our direction today. Currently 44 in Rome, 41 in Hamilton, 40 in Binghamton. We're expecting temperatures to hang in the middle of the 40s for the majority of the day. Taking a look at the Yorkville Battery Live Storm Tracker 2 radar, those showers are lingering. Some showers have just moved off to the east. We do have plenty more moving in from the west, and that is going to continue today. As this area of low pressure continues to track in our direction towards central New York, in association with a cold front, which will bring that cold air behind it. Ample rainfall in store for today. We're looking at widespread rainfall today, scattered lake effect rain and snow showers for Monday and Tuesday, and a little bit more isolated end on Wednesday, as we hope that by the afternoon things taper off on Wednesday. Taking a look at the temperature trend, much cooler for the next 3 days, which is going to feel like quite a change. But as we head towards the end of next week, we are back into a warming trend, which is going to feel fantastic after the first few days this week. Taking a look this morning, cloudy skies to start today. Here comes all of that precipitation. Precipitation works through the majority of the day, the entirety of the day for that matter. By 10 p.m., we still have precipitation coming in from the southeast. The southwest. By 1 a.m., things start to linger, or things start to wind down with mostly cloudy conditions. Scattered showers remain through the overnight. By Monday morning, most of the precipitation is confined up to the North Country. North of the northern half of the Tug Hill, we are expecting the chance for possibly a light accumulation of about a ½ inch to an inch. I'm going to be tracking that throughout the day today. Throughout the day Monday, showers continue to work through the region. South of 365, we're not expecting any accumulation at all on any surfaces, and much warmer temperatures. As a result, we dip down into the lower 30s Monday night, and by Tuesday morning, we're back into cloudy skies. Scattered showers develop again on Tuesday, and these again are going to linger all the way into Tuesday night and Wednesday. 46 tonight with widespread rainfall, or 46 today with widespread rainfall, I should say. 42 tonight for a low with scattered rain showers, becoming more scattered as the night progresses. Much colder weather to start the week, but look at the end of that forecast. We're headed back towards the 60s with plenty of sunshine just in time for Friday night football and Saturday, so looking like a decent weekend out there. Any guesses on the trivia question?
It's not a guess, it's flooding.
It is, and the reason we brought this, the reason I'm bringing this up is because I wanted to mention that floods are one of the most overlooked parts of hurricanes, and not only can infectious disease spread as a result of lingering floodwaters, electrocution is another thing that people forget. If a downed power line is in the water, you could step into those floodwaters, wade, and immediately be in trouble. So it's just one more thing to
That's why it becomes
be
a
aware of.
public health emergency when when there is flooding.
It's something to be aware of for sure, exactly.
All right, thank you so much, James. Hurricane Milton, speaking of hurricanes and
First look at your forecast, meteorologist James DeFazio, and it was a dreary day out there today, and it's sticking around.
Quite gloomy, and it's going to be continuing through the evening for sure.
Is that snow up in the Adirondacks? I don't mean to cut you off there.
That is up on the hill, literally up in the high peaks, up on the I believe some of these Mount Marcy right there, I believe, is reporting snow. So the S word is in the forecast. But looking at the live Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 live radar, you can see that ample precipitation, which we've been dealing with throughout the day today. Plenty more to come as we move through the evening. Scattered showers are going to continue throughout the night. Widespread rainfall continues through the evening, scattered showers as we continue to move into the work week, and then roller coaster temperatures continue. 44 degrees with light rain in Rome right now. Tonight, 42. Rain showers continue through the majority of the night. Tomorrow, we have scattered showers, a rain-snow mix for some, with a high of right around 45 degrees. Ben?
All right, James, thank you very much. Approximately 500 runners.
The WKTV Tower Cam is brought to you by the Central Association for the Blind and Visually Impaired.
Good evening. A washout of a day in central New York this Sunday. It looks like we have rain chances that are going to continue and linger throughout the beginning of the week, and possibly even some of that white stuff in the air. Let's take a look down at downtown Utica right now. You can see it is quite gloomy out there, plenty of overcast skies. The roads are wet. It is raining quite lightly right now, so take it easy out on the roadways if you happen to travel, especially with the leaves having fallen. It does create some slick road conditions. Currently 44 up in Rome, reporting rain. The wind has come down a little bit. We're down to an 8 mile an hour wind out of the east, excuse me. Humidity is very low with very refreshing and pleasant air quality. Rainfall is being reported at Rome, Hamilton, Binghamton, Ithaca, Syracuse. Plenty of showers out there. And where it's not precipitating, it is still cloudy because there is more precipitation moving in from the west. As I pull up the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 live radar, you can see plenty of the rain that has moved through today, and we have plenty more off to the west, which is going to continue to move in our direction as this cold front continues to move in our direction in association with this area of low pressure. This cold front is also going to be the reason for our drastic change in temperature as we head into next week. A rainfall outlook for this week. After our widespread rainfall today, we are down to scattered showers for Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. Do not look like dry days, but they do not look like washouts like we had today either. And then by Thursday, we dry out and it starts to become more pleasant for sure. Roller coaster temperatures. After this cold front moves through, we have some chilly weather coming in to start the week. Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday nights, we're going to have chances for frost and freezes. Chilly weather with temperatures in the low 40s during the day. And it is going to feel abruptly cold with how warm it has been to start the month. But as we move towards the end of the week, we're right back towards the 60s for the weekend, and we have pleasant weather forecasted. Taking a look at tonight, taking a look at the current radar image of the SkyCast, plenty of rainfall showing up on there. As I move forward, you'll see still at 10 p.m., we still have a lot of rain showers to move through. By about 1 o'clock in the morning, things do become a tad more scattered, but mostly cloudy skies prevail, and scattered showers do remain throughout the majority of the overnight. Temperatures are going to be in the mid-40s this evening. By midday tomorrow, we have some blue stuff showing up here in the North Country, and it looks like some snowfall is anticipated for extreme northern Oneida County and Lewis counties, where in those areas, in the highest of elevations, a trace to 2 inches of snow is absolutely possible on grassy surfaces. Fortunately, surface temperatures will keep conditions at the surface at bay. No travel issues. No accumulation anywhere outside of those high peaks. We have more showers moving through during the day on Tuesday, plenty more showers from the lake being thrown our way as we head into Wednesday. 42 degrees tonight with ample rain to begin, drying out towards the end of the night. Showers become more scattered tomorrow, but they may mix with snow. Heading into the week, that roller coaster temperature ride, we move right on up. Plenty of unfortunate numbers there, but the end of the forecast looks absolutely pleasant. I am really happy to see a very nice weekend at the end of that.
I can't believe that. 60s.
Yeah.
After we start the week with the possibility of snow in the North Country, it's just unbelievable and typical.
It's classic Central New York,
classic Central
right?
New York. I mean, yeah. Thank you very much, James. Still to come on News Channel 2 at 6. Look forecast tonight at 11 with meteorologist James DeFazio looking up to the north, and we can still see some snow.
Yes.
Up towards Whiteface.
And
Unbelievable.
it's kind of a sign of, it's kind of a hint of what's to come in the forecast as well. We're going to be talking about some mix of rain and snow chances as we move forward over the next couple of days. Taking a look at the live Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 radar. Still plenty of showers out there across the region. As we zoom out just a little bit, you can see ample moisture, some storms down there to the south and northeast Pennsylvania, some high elevation snow showing up there in northern New York and northern Vermont and northern New Hampshire. But as you can see off to the west, there is more low pressure headed our direction. We are tracking scattered lake effect showers for the first several days of the week. The widespread rainfall will come to an end tonight, and we have roller coaster temperatures throughout the week. We are going to go on a little bit of a ride. Currently 45 in Rome with calm winds, very refreshing air conditions. 43 degrees tonight, showers. They become more scattered as the night progresses. Tonight, 46 degrees tomorrow. This high is actually going to occur early in the day, and then it's going to cool off throughout the day. We have scattered rain and snow showers, and we'll get into more of exactly what to expect in terms of exactly snowfall in just a couple of minutes. Send it right back over to you, Ben.
All right, James, thank you very much. A new name.
The WKTV Tower Cam is brought to you by the Central Association for the Blind and Visually Impaired.
Good evening. We had quite a washout across central New York today. Showers are still lingering at this hour. However, they are becoming a little more few and far between. Taking a look at downtown Utica right now, we can see, look at those beautiful, wispy, thick stratocumulus clouds up on the horizon there. That is quite a shot with the moonlight reflecting onto that. Roadways are wet, as we've had quite a bit of rainfall today. I believe we are in a lull right now in downtown Utica, but that is not going to last too long. Currently 45 degrees in Rome, cloudy skies, calm winds, allowing for refreshing air quality out there. A great night for sleeping weather. 45 up in Rome, 43 Hamilton, 43 down in Binghamton. Plenty of cloud cover across New York State. And that is expected as low pressure continues to work in and as we have scattered showers throughout the evening as well as throughout the day tomorrow. Looking at the live Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 radar, you can see down to the east here in northeast Pennsylvania, there was actually some thunderstorms that were just moving through the region. You can see some lightning possibly showing up here in just a second there in the bottom right. But out to the west, we have our next weather maker, our area of low pressure. This cutoff low is going to spurn lake effect moisture in our direction over the next few days, which is going to bring us a mix of rain and snow showers. Taking a look at the outlook for rainfall over the next few days, nothing widespread like we've seen like we saw today. Scattered showers for Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, sometimes mixed with snow, not just rain showers. And Thursday, we are going to move into a dry pattern. Trending temperatures, big juxtaposition from the beginning to the week to the end of the week. We start off very chilly. This is going to feel very cold. This 46-degree high is actually going to occur during the morning hours tomorrow, and it's going to cool off during the day. So it's going to feel very chilly tomorrow with temperatures in the upper 30s. By the end of the week, we are rising right back towards the 60s. Taking a look at the skycast, here's that rain for tonight. It moves out rather quickly. Scattered showers remain, but it's primarily mostly cloudy skies as we move into the morning. As I speed up just a tad here and we head into noon on Monday, you can start to see that lake moisture beginning to drop in from the north, from north to south. There is plenty of light to steady snowfall expected across the northern portions of our viewing area. Lewis County, northern Herkimer County can expect a light accumulation on the grass. This will be extremely short-lived as temperatures are going to be above freezing. And with temperatures above freezing, it's only the cold air aloft that is allowing the snow to fall into our area. Monday night, we do dry out and things begin to calm down before more lake moisture arrives Tuesday. Tonight, 43 degrees, showers, but they are winding down, becoming more sporadic. Tomorrow, scattered rain and snow showers, high of 45, which does occur earlier in the day. Taking a look at the 7-day forecast, chances for those lake effect rain and snow showers Monday through Wednesday. And then Thursday, we dry out and we head into a much, much nicer weather pattern for the weekend.